Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have some happy mail to share with you, and I apologize for being so long getting it out. But, you know, things happened and most of you know what those things were. But anyway, so I have some happy mail here. This one is from Marcia Taylor. Now, I knew Marcia was sending me something, but she didn't say what. And she sent me a whole bag full of goodies. So I have opened it because I didn't want to struggle, because let me tell you, she had it taped up really well. So the first thing she sent me was this paper pad, it's a 6x6 pad, and it's called Pretty in Palms. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. And it's really pretty. I haven't opened it up to look at it. I mean, I could have done that, but I think most of you know what it looks like. But those are the patterns right there. So I'll be using that. And then what else is in here? She sent me several items. Let me look for a card because I'm not sure what all this. Oh, here's something right here. Okay. Instructions. Donna. Number 1. So let me just show you this in order that she sent it, I think. Or, oh, paper clips off. Okay. Alright. Napkins and iron-on interfacing. Okay, so she sent me some of this interfacing here. Fusible featherweight interfacing. And she sent me these gorgeous napkins. So I have this one. Just a whole bunch of really pretty napkins. This one that says thanks. This one. This one. Oh, this is pretty with a shell. And this pretty one with a rooster. Some butterflies. Some pretty fall ones in here. This one with the birds. Isn't that pretty? This one. That's pretty. And this one. And then she sent me some big ones, guys. Now I have, well, I got this one. And this is really cool because I have a small one like this. And then this pretty flowers. My goodness, woman. And then this one. Now, the reason I showed all this together is because she had it in a note together. It says, iron napkin to remove wrinkles and creases. Then iron interface into the back side of the top layer of the napkin. Many videos on YouTube showing how to do this. Protect your iron and work surfaces with parchment paper from glue of the interfacing. The napkin fused to interfacing becomes fabric-like. It then can be used in journals and cut up and glued to card fronts and tags, etc. Have fun, Marcia Taylor. Thank you, Marcia. Okay, so she sent me napkins. Then she told me she was sending me a challenge. And I think I've seen what it is. Okay. So she sent me these cards and envelopes this side. And then these pink envelopes. And then she sent me some papers. Some 8.5 by 11 papers. And this is what it says. Donna, number 2, ugly paper challenge. Please alter these ugly papers using gesso, paint, ink, stencil, stamps, whatever you like, and then turn them into front panels for card bases. I have included. Can't wait to see what you do. So, she sent me some cards with envelopes, and she wants me to alter these card bases and envelopes with these papers that she sent me. So let's see what ugly paper she sent me. So that's camouflage. I don't really think that is ugly, but camouflage. I have an idea for that already. And then she sent me this kind of a black marbly, it's textured black. And then she sent me one with grass. And then, let's see, this one It's called Antique Brocade. That'd make a lovely vintage picture, though. And then this one is striped with polka dots. So it's green and reddish polka dots. I have an idea for that, Marcia. And then this one is just rainbow with, it says rainbow with clouds, but I don't see any rainbows and clouds. So I think they messed up on this piece of paper. Because I don't see no rainbow and clouds. I see black paper with polka dots. Okay, Marcia, you're on. Challenge accepted. So now I got to figure out what to do with all this. And she sent them in this nice, colorful file folder, too. So we'll have to make something with that. And then she said, number 3, tea stain papers, envelopes, stickers to use when making journals. So, I guess the pink envelopes are for journal making. But she also sent me these little bags, mini gold bags. They look like this. I'm not going to take them all out. Oh, and then she sent me these beautiful little stickers from Paris. Sticky Picks Paper House. Aren't these adorable? Oh my gosh, those are so cute, Marcia. Thank you. Now what she's talking about, she sent me a whole pile of tea stain papers and doilies. So she sent me 2 of these. That's going to make a lovely vintagey thing. And then she sent me these beautiful tea stain papers. I love this one. I don't know how you got it to do that, but that is gorgeous. So she just sent me a pile of these. Oh, thank you so much, Marcia. I'll just show them all to you. I love that leaf looking one. And there's another one in here that's almost like that too. But she just sent me a stack of these. I love the way tea stained and coffee stained papers feel and the texture. But that by far is my favorite. Thank you so much, sweetheart. You are such a blessing. So she sent me all of that, if that wasn't enough, in the paper pad. And then she sent me these. Now, I've seen these before, because she had sent me some before, and I used them. These are little envelope things that she makes, and I thought I read, oh yeah, number 4, there's another thing down here. Thought I saw something that says, my tip, gratuity thanks pockets. When you are taken out to eat, offer to put one of these with the cash tip or charge slip on the table. It's my small way to brighten the day of someone who's working hard to serve us. And these are just adorable. Okay, so it's these little pockets, and she has the word thanks stamped on it. And then you can just write a little message down there and leave this with your tip inside and put them on a table and brighten somebody's day. So she made several of these for me. And I have used these before when she made me some before. And it's such a great idea. Very cute. And they don't look really hard to make at all. It's just making a little pocket. Thank you, Marcia, for sending those. I will use them again. Put them in my purse. Now, I don't go out to eat that often unless somebody does take me, so. But I will definitely use these. These also could be great for, you know, if you're in a store, a busy store, like a grocery store, and, you know, cashiers have a bad day, you can just write a little word on there and just hand them to you with your bill. So thank you, Marcia, for all the lovely little gifties. These are so sweet. And then one day this weekend, Friday, I think, I also got this postcard from Marcia. And it is from Mercado Ponce. I think this is from Puerto Rico. Looks like it. But anyway, so she sent me this one. So thank you very, very much for all the lovely little things that you gave me. I can't wait to try out the napkin things, and I will be doing the cards. We'll do that. Maybe we'll do that on a Thursday night. So that is all from Marcia Taylor. So thank you very much, Marcia. And then my friend Debbie McGillvary, who is Perfect Angel 60 here on YouTube, sent me a lovely little card like this. And she just said that she had been looking for postcards of my town in Minnesota. Finally found some. Hope this fills up more of the states. She's been sick for a while, so y'all keep Debbie in your prayers. And so, because she just asked me to put her on a prayer list. And she's been in a lot of pain, so y'all keep Debbie in your prayers. And so she sent me this postcard of Staples, Minnesota. It says, Peaceful Escape. Isn't that pretty? Escape to Dower Lake in Staples, Minnesota. So she sent me that one. So thank you, Debbie, for thinking about me and the postcards. And I will definitely put you on our prayer list on a devotion channel as well. And then this was a total surprise happy mail, because this is something that I had talked to her about before, and I just wasn't able to do it. But first of all, this is from Deb Houck. Now, Deb sent me these beautiful little sequin mix, and I think I won these for commenting on one of her live videos that she does. And it's just a little really pretty pastel-y sequin mix. So those are pretty, Deb, so thank you for that. And then she sent me a card. And this beautiful, Deb does some really nice cards. And I love her stamp on the back. And it just says, I'm thankful for you. Hi, Donna. Just thought I'd send these along. You can use them more than me. Hugs, Deb. So pretty. In the inside of the card, she just stamped a little sunflower there. This is so pretty, Deb. Thank you. Now, I'll be doing a special project with these as well, because this is something that I really do want. Okay, first of all, she sent me a card. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And on the inside of it, it's got this little panel and then this right here. So it's like a double flip card. It's really pretty. So you got this pulled out here. It's almost like a little mini album, because you could definitely put pictures on this. And then the two backside right here. So you can like journal in this. I just think it's really pretty. So thank you, Deb, for sending that to me. Very pretty. And then it's got the little charms here and here. But Deb, she sent me the Come Sail Away product share kit. And it comes like this with everything. And it comes with 6 pieces of 6x6, and they're double-sided, so you get this piece, and that's the back side. Then ropes, and then that's the back side. And then the little lighthouses, and then that's the back side. And then little sailboats, and then it has a green side. And then it comes with these leaves and that side. And then these, which are a nautical compass and different things like that on that side. And then the light blue stripes on that side. So it comes with that. And then it comes with 2 yards of Night and Navy baker's twine. So let me pull this out and show you everybody what it comes with. The baker's twine, and it comes with the little metal charms in there. And then it comes with all these gorgeous cards. Kind of card. Look at this one. How cool is that? The ropes. And then this one, or you can use it as a journaling card with the lighthouse on it. And it says, you made my day. And then this lighthouse, and then on the back it's got Happy Father's Day. Since Father's Day is over with, I would be using that one anyway. And it says, any day with you is the best day. And then it has that. And then this one. And on the back side it says, hello handsome. And then this one says, free as the ocean. I like that. And that's the back side. And then it comes with the larger journaling cards, the 4x6 cards. And this one says, remember. And that's the back side. And this says, what is life but a grand adventure? And then it has striped paper on the back side. Debbie, I just so appreciate this. You don't know what this means to me. It is such a beautiful paper line. And I wanted this so bad, and I just couldn't buy anything. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then it comes with the big pieces of paper. So it comes with, well, I think this is Whisper White. And I know this is Night of Navy. And I thought it told me what kind of paper was on. Oh, yeah. Then Balmy Blue. And then Soft Suede. And then Mossy Meadow. And this is the thick Whisper White. And it is really thick. So that is the kit that she sent me. It's the Come Sail Away Product Share kit. And not only did she send me one, but she sent me two. Deb, you are such a sweetheart. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will be doing something special with these as well. I don't know if I'll make cards with these. I may make a little mini album or something out of these, but I'm going to do a project with them because I love this paper so much. You knew I did. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And Marcia, thank you so much. I just appreciate everything that you guys do and your love and your support. It just means the world to me. So thank you all. Thank you, Debbie, for sending me the postcard and the letter. I'm so sorry that you're having a hard time, but you will be in my prayers for sure. So thank you guys very much for my lovely happy mail. You have made my day. And I do mean that with all sincerity. So guys, Deb Houck, I know she has a channel, Deb's Crafty Cottage. And please go over and check her out. She's also my Stampin' Up! Representative when I can do Stampin' Up! or buy something. But she does sell Stampin' Up! So please go over if you need Stampin' Up! Products and you don't have a representative. Please go over and check her out for that. I will leave her link below down in the description box. And Marcia, I can't remember if she's doing videos now or not, but I'll check and see. I don't think she is, but I'll check and see. But I will leave Deb's down in the description box for sure. So please go by and check her out and give her some crafty love. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.